Hey guys, it's Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you my case cover for my Microsoft Surface laptop right here. So, a couple of features that I like about this case cover is the fact that it's very lightweight and it's good quality. Also, it comes in two units, two separate pieces. One unit for the top and one for the bottom of the laptop. Now, on the top, I like the fact that it's translucent, so you can actually see through it, and it's almost like a smoke gray. I actually customized it with the sticker, so I like to do that. And the back part of the unit, I really like because it has these holes that allows the computer to breathe. In other words, it doesn't overheat and it keeps your computer system working cool. It also has these little legs that extend out. So if you want to put it on a table, it's gonna elevate your laptop just a little bit. And I'll show you shortly. Let me show you how easy it is to install. So the back unit, you're just gonna snap it on just like that, and you can hear it snapping, and it's in place. And now the top unit is the same thing. You're gonna snap it into place. There you go. The laptop is covered. It's protected. It can breathe. And let me show you what it looks like when it's on a table. Extend the legs out. And there you have it. The laptop has the little legs out, so it elevates it just a little bit. And it looks great. I really like this laptop cover, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.